All right. Today we're covering 5 companies from the June 30th disclosures, 3 significance 5 situations, and 2 standout 4s. Some dramatic stuff.
Yeah, from a Bitcoin bloodbath to a trillion-yen home builder acquisition, there's a lot to unpack.
Metaplanet, ticker 3350, posted an interim net loss of 182.8 billion yen, almost entirely from Bitcoin valuation losses of 184 billion.
Right, but this is non-cash. Core operating income actually grew 136% thanks to options premiums. The bigger story is their pivot from passive treasury to building a Bitcoin financial platform.
They acquired Cebo Securities for $2.1 billion, renamed it Metaplanet Securities, and launched Bitbonds, debt instruments to raise fiat without selling Bitcoin.
Smart, but there's a critical data discrepancy in the filing. One section says holdings rose to 43,000 BTC. Another says they dropped to 5,014. That needs immediate verification.
Ticker 1911, this is a massive one. They acquired TriPoint Homes Group, a major U.S. home builder, and total assets surged by over a trillion yen.
Funded by a 718 billion yen SMBC loan, goodwill jumped 164 billion, real estate inventory up 562 billion, but ordinary profit fell 44%. Integration costs plus high U.S. mortgage rates.
Equity ratio dropped from 39 to 30.5%. That's a serious leverage shift.
The U.S. sawmill they acquired last period also saw a 79% profit drop from production delays. Short-term pain is significant here.
Ticker 9399 is in real trouble. They're shutting down their A2P messaging business, their historical core, as of June 30th.
Going concern doubt is flagged. Net assets collapsed from $7.9 million to under $1 million. Equity ratio at 3.4%. The stock price decline has stalled their warrant exercises.
So they're relying on a 12% interest revolving credit facility from their own top shareholder?
Exactly. 11.5 million outstanding. They also issued 43.7 million shares in warrants to Cantor Fitzgerald. But those haven't been exercised either. This is a survival story now.
Ticker 6871. Probe card business is on fire. Sales up 51%, segment profit up 94%, all driven by generative AI and HBM demand.
Net income more than doubled to 11.5 billion yen. They raised the interim dividend from 70 to 95 yen. But the TE business lost 785 million. Total bipolarization.
And they abolished their poison pill in March. That's a notable governance shift.
CapEx hit 7.65 billion for Amori factory expansion, with a 10 billion syndicated loan facility ready. Investment securities also ballooned from 10.6 to 36.4 billion, mostly unrealized gains.
Ticker 2492. iNymphomart formed a capital alliance with Dai-ichi Life Group, raising 17.4 billion yen through a third-party allotment.
That transformed the balance sheet. Net assets surged to 30 billion. Equity ratio jumped to 88.8%. Dai-ichi Life holds 15% with a 5-year lockup and board nomination rights.
Core operations are strong, too. Sales up 11%, operating profit up 49%.
They also raised their stake in Invox to 33% for 1.9 billion, making it an equity method affiliate to accelerate their data-to-data AI strategy. Board was reshuffled with 4 new directors.
Big themes today. Leverage everywhere. Metaplanet, the home builder, even Infomart is deploying capital aggressively.
Watch the Metaplanet BTC discrepancy. That's the one that could move markets if resolved. And keep an eye on whether 9399's Cantor Fitzgerald warrants actually get exercised.